Hey, this is Ronald from Mad Skills University, and here are 5 quick and easy ways that you can prevent your pipes from freezing when it gets too cold. Ironically, after I completed this video and I put it up, I had to take it back down because my sister-in-law called my brother-in-law, who's a professional contractor, because her hot water pipe froze. So I met him over there today, and he unthawed the pipe and showed me how he did it. Okay, let me show you the 5 tips first, and I'll show you how to unfreeze a pipe when we're done. I live on the border of Illinois and Indiana, and yesterday it was minus 12. And while we're used to this, some people are not. So if you have a garden hose, number 1, detach it. I'm gonna zoom in. I always put a cover like this on my water faucet, and I have a separate cutoff valve for that faucet, so I shut it down in the winter. You'd be surprised how many people don't do that. In terms of your furnace, you want to make sure that you replace your furnace filter, especially during the winter. Also over here, you usually have a laundry room. Make sure you're dripping water from every single faucet in the house. Doesn't matter where it is. Also open up any cabinets that lead to any sinks. Also flush your toilet at least once every 2 or 3 hours, but make sure you keep your temperature on 54 or so or higher. If you get a frozen pipe, then you need to take a heat gun and go down the pipe until the water comes out. While Frank skillfully and safely used a heat gun, you can also use a hair dryer, a towel, or a heat lamp, or something more safe, and take your time. Start at the faucet and work your way down the pipe all the way to the end. In this particular case, the freeze was in the corner here. Once you hit that for about 10 seconds, the water came out. But you want to make sure you turn the water on before you start this process. Also, while people say that hot water doesn't freeze as often, I would drip both my hot and my cold faucets. But if you don't do that, when that water melts on its own, it's going to expand and the pipe may burst. Right?
Once it bursts, now you're in deep, because now you're going to have to cut the piece off and put a new piece and solder it. Well, can you imagine, how can you solder that one? It's against the wall.
You'd have to take everything totally out and start over almost.
Yeah.
Once it unthaws by itself, it expands,
Well,
right?
that's why I wanted to get here soon. And thank God I got here before it burst.
Mm-hmm. Well, that'll about do it. I think there's more than 5 tips there, but in any case, I hope this helps you out. Please keep in mind that an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So letting your water drip is going to help a ton. With that said, if you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any comments, suggestions, or ideas, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'm wishing you and your family the very best in 2026. Peace.